Woodward, Iowa.
Get it!
A tornado thunders down on a subdivision.
Get it! Come on! Let's go! Oh, there's the roof. Get in the house.
Everyone runs for cover, except Jeremiah Nance and his brother Doug.
It almost seemed like it got quieter for a second, and then when it got right there, then it got really loud.
They say a tornado sounds like a freight train, and that's what it sounded like.
The eye of the tornado is less than a block away. Jeremiah and Doug are so close that debris around them is actually being sucked into the twister. A neighbor's house is blown apart.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my Jesus Lord! Oh my God!
The tornado roars away.
We're real lucky that it just stayed on the other side of the road there, because I thought it was coming right for us.
Oh my God!
In its wake, entire homes have been reduced to rubble.
There's more than one. Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at that house is gone!
Couldn't have been more than a minute since it just came through and it was all gone.
Suddenly, the two brothers hear cries for help.
Come on! Yes! All I could hear was her, yelling.
She was the only one still in her house.
Is there anybody else in there with you? Come here. You all right? You all right?
The woman, Becky Seaman, is lucky to be alive. Her home is destroyed.
I just heard this big whoosh, and I feel my house shake. I heard this great big boom.
Oh my God!
And then everything just came crashing down. I'm on the floor, and my dresser's on top of me, and the walls are crashing in on me, and I couldn't get out the front door.
Jeremiah and Doug help her to safety.
I am so happy to be alive.
The ferocious funnel cloud uproots trees, flips cars, and takes down buildings. The two brothers risk their lives for a close-up look at nature's deadly fury. This is one encounter they'll never forget.
You don't think that quick that everything can just be gone, but it's just horrible.